everyone, welcome to my channel Carrot Crochet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this satisfying Click-Clack fidget toy. For this project, I'm using sport weight cotton yarn. It is about 175 yards per 1.75 ounces. Click-Clack hair clip. 1.5mm crochet hook, or whatever hook suits your yarn weight. 4mm safety eyes. Snout. Instead of safety eyes, you can simply embroider the eyes and snout with black yarn. Yarn needle. Stuffing. Make a magic ring. Work 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Tighten the magic ring. Close the ring with a slip stitch. Round 2. Increase in every stitch. At the end of round 2, you should have 12 stitches. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Mark the beginning of the round. Round 3, 3 single crochet, then 1 increase. You should have a total of 15 single crochet at the end of this round. Now, we're going to crochet the pig's body. Just crochet 15 SC around for the next few rounds. Adjust the number of rounds based on the length of your snap clip. I crocheted 18 rounds to match my clip. Yours could be more or less, so just measure as you go. Go ahead and crochet these rounds on your own. I'll see you back here after 18 rounds. So, we've just finished. 18 rounds without any increases or decreases. Now let's crochet the ears for our piggy. Slip stitch. Make the chain stitches. Slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Work 1 double crochet. Work a treble crochet into the next stitch. Slip stitch into the very first stitch of the ear. Five single crochet. Repeat the same steps to make another ear. Single crochet to the end of the round. Our piggy has some cute ears now. At this stage, it's best to insert the snap clip and stuff the body with fiberfill. Don't overstuff it. We want to make sure it stays nice and crunchy. Next round, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease. Next round, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Add more fiber fill if needed. Last round, decrease in every stitch. Using a tapestry needle, sew the hole closed. Hide the yarn tail inside the toy. I left a pretty long yarn tail, so I decided to crochet a little tail with it. Insert your hook under the stitch. Make the chain stitches. Work slip stitches into each chain, moving back toward the body. Now, hide the yarn tails inside the toy. Now let's attach the eyes and the snout using some glue. Our little piggy is all done. Thank you so much for crocheting along. If you enjoyed making this crunchy piggy, please Like and subscribe for more.